So we are videoing the new KFC donut chicken sandwich.
This is half devoured, but yeah.
It fucking sucks. The commercials are bullshit. It's not good. It tastes like shit. It has enough sugar to fucking kill you. Don't waste $6 on this piece of shit sandwich.
It's a diabetic coma.
It's a fucking diabetic coma, for real. Look at this pretty fucking face. KFC tried to kill her with this fucking sandwich. Look at this fucking thing. It's a fucking sugar coma that tastes like shit. Complete shit. Look at it. That doesn't look like the fucking commercials. Come the fuck on, man. Give me a fucking break. What the fuck? I mean, really? KFC? You can pull something better out of your ass than a fucking diabetic coma. Yuck. Don't try it. $6 wasted. Go buy you a crack rock. It'll be better for your fucking health. That's it.